We're working on all news stories tonight for WCNC Charlotte News at 6 o'clock, including the big story of the day, a divide on abortion rights amid the leak of the Roe v. Wade decision being overturned. Tonight, Capitol Police are putting up barriers outside the Supreme Court as demonstrators gather. So what could that decision mean for the Carolinas? We take a closer look at the possibilities. Anger, frustration, and outcries from both sides of the abortion rights debate. The Supreme Court confirming a leak opinion is true. Justices are set to overturn Roe v. Wade, and we know there are a lot of questions, and we are hoping to share some answers and perspective on the possibilities.
Now, what we do know here, ultimately, if the landmark decision is overturned, that would put abortion access in the hands of individual states. So you might be wondering what could happen in the Carolinas. Well, many experts have concluded both Carolinas would ban or severely restrict abortion access. You're actually looking at a chart from the Guttmacher Institute showing that, but also likely other abortion bans we would see nationwide.
WCNC Charlotte Shamaria Morrison joins us live from Planned Parenthood. Shamaria, how quickly would North and South Carolina ban or restrict abortion?
Well, in South Carolina, it would happen the quickest, and that's because there's already a law on the books that abortions in most cases would be illegal past 6 weeks, but that is caught up in the court system, and it's because they are waiting on that decision that's happening in the U.S. Supreme Court right now that could ultimately overturn Roe v. Wade. Now, in North Carolina, there is an unenforced law that's on the books that would ban most abortions past 20 weeks, and if Roe v. Wade is overturned, well, they'll probably start enforcing it. The Chief Justice of the U.S. Supreme Court says a leaked draft document poised to overturn Roe v. Wade is real, but not final.
Never had an actual draft opinion be leaked from the court out to the press or to the public at all. So it is unprecedented.
Rob Crain, a Texas-based legal expert, says it's important to remember the leak was only a draft.
So, we forget Brown versus the Board of Education appeared that it may have gone the other way in 1954. And then there was a new Chief Justice that was brought into the court. And then, he swung the court to a unanimous decision. It completely changed.
A political science professor at Davidson College says a leak of this scope is a testament to all the politics entering the nation's highest court.
At the very least, this undermines faith in our institutions. And the Supreme Court has been increasingly regarded as political. And I think Justice Roberts is not pleased at all with the leak.
She expects in the upcoming midterm elections, politicians will attempt to capitalize on this bombshell news about a potential abortion rights ruling.
People running for the state legislature, not just the president or the Senate or the judges, they have really control as to what a state can do. And this definitely has to do with states looking at how they want to amend, protect, or reject access to abortion.
Putting abortion access on the ballots could play to both sides in different ways. Now, if the court ultimately does rule how this draft opinion reads, that means that later this summer, the right to abortion will be limited very largely in the Carolinas. Shamaria Morrison, WCNC Charlotte.